Good evening, good afternoon.
Good good afternoon. I have a whiteboard.
What? Miffy.
Yeah.
That's very cute.
Okay, let me show you. This is not supposed to be a whiteboard. It's actually a package of a Miffy,
Miffy?
it's one of these things. I forgot what it's called.
What is that?
That's supposed to be, like the thing you put on your eyes when you sleep.
Oh, I'm sorry. That looks like a sausage to me. It's sleep mask or eye mask.
Oh, okay. It's a. Okay, I found it.
Oh, that's a very cute sleep mask. Oh, that's a...
Mask.
Got it. It's a Miffy sleep mask, right?
Yeah. The sleep mask cannot be a sleep mask anymore for reasons that might be considered interesting.
Such as?
Well, I stepped on it.
Oh, okay.
I found out that I can use this marker. Oh, it's not orange. It's just not really well made.
Red?
It's not orange. And draw it on it. It can totally be a whiteboard. And
Yes, it totally can.
and you can even wipe it off with a tissue.
Wow. Okay, that's really useful then.
Yeah.
If you write on it for a long time and multiple times, however, I think it will just not be as usable anymore.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. So you're feeling okay today? You're no
Yes.
longer under the weather, as we would say? No longer sick?
Well,
Oh, still a little bit, I see. Just a moment, my chair is weird. Chair, why are you weird? Okay. All right. I wanted to remind you that we talked about, well, earthquakes, or as they would call it in this material, quakes. And in our last class, we read this paragraph F. We went over these key phrases a little bit, and the only thing left to do here is to focus on the very last part of this page. Okay, you have some words there. Let's just quickly skim this page, go over Champagne and Oxford words.
Okay.
Let's see if we understand all of these. Okay.
Good. Review the data. It led many to believe that, instead of giving up, though, had reached where hoping to. Quack.
You look like quack quack. Off schedule means not happening at the planned time. When, for example, I have a tendency to do things off schedule, even though I do have a calendar, I have a schedule in my phone, and I try to do things on time and on schedule, but I sometimes do them off schedule because, well, something else turns up and I can't make it on time.
Oh, by the way, I just forgot something today. I did a lot. I climbed onto the top. Okay, let me explain. There's one place that is close to our house. It's supposed to be 2 monkey bars that you can climb. And there's these stuff that I don't know what it means. I don't know why it's so thick either, the pen. And I just climbed onto it many times, which is a new record since I don't know how to climb on the monkey bars before.
Okay, you didn't know how to do this before, but now you've learned how to do it.
Yes.
Good job. Wow, that's very commendable. Keep it up. Thank you for sharing that. I didn't do anything as amazing or enthusiastic in past few days, so nothing to mention here. We can now focus on, oh, what's that? Oh, it's the red from your marker, your pen.
No, it's this is what I get for climbing on the monkey part.
Oh, you hurt your fingers and hands. Well, when the grip is very tight, that happens sometimes. We get blisters. I used to get blisters all the time from doing exactly that.
Oh.
All right. Moving on to the delayed however rule. We tend to put however at the beginning of the sentence, but look at this. Rewrite this sentence. Can you read this?
Instead of giving up, though, scientists dug deeper. Instead of giving up, however, scientists dug deeper. But however, at the start, instead of the in the middle. How does the feeling change?
It does change slightly.
Which version sounds more like a story and which more like a formal report? Both of them is so similar to...
Both of them are.
Both of them are so similar to just...
Okay, but the placement is important.
It's similar to a story, both of them. I can't really pick. But I think this one sounds more wise, using however.
Okay, so we would say that that's more formal.
Oh.
If you say wise, I'm assuming you think formal, like more academic, like I would put it in a very important paper.
Yes.
Okay. I agree with you. Why do writers prefer though or however in the middle here rather than here at the start? Imagine it at the start.
Formal.
However, instead of giving up, scientists dug deeper.
It sounds more formal.
Okay, so it does sound different to you. Very good. Moving on now. Paragraph G.
Paragraph G.
And then
they found something. An article published in the July 2008 journal Nature. The researchers in Parkfield claimed to have detected small changes in the faults shortly before an earthquake hit. What had they noticed just before a quake? The cracks in the fault had widened slightly.
Interesting.
Scientists registered the first changes 10 hours before an earthquake of 3.0 on Richter's scale hit. They identified identical signs 2 hours before a 1.0 quake demonstrating that perhaps the pre-slip theory is correct. In other words, it may in fact be possible to predict an earthquake.
Okay, so this changes a little bit the whole concept of the story. In fact, it may in fact be possible to predict an earthquake. How sure are we of this statement? Does this say we will 100% be able to predict an earthquake?
We are 50% able.
So we're not completely, because we have may and possible. This doesn't sound very sure to me. Does it?
Yeah.
Okay. Claimed to have detected means they said they detected something before they made the claim. I don't want to sound boring, but this type of language, how does it sound? How does it look to you? Claimed to have detected.
Usually this is in when you try to justify something.
Good.
I usually think claim. Wait. Wait.
Is everything okay?
Claimed to have claimed to sounds more similar to just saying that they have found something. In this case, they have detected something, and they are very sure.
Very good, because they claim.
Yes.
When we claim something, we're not just saying it, we're claiming it. Very good. Now, vocabulary choice here. I know you know what the word identical means, right?
Yes, I know what the word identical means.
Yes, identical means exactly the same. Since this is a very strong word, this is very important for scientific proof. It is much more stronger than the word similar, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. When we say that something had widened slightly, what do we mean?
We mean that it had widened a little bit. For example,
Yes.
there was this crack on
Okay.
a rock. The next day,
Okay.
it might there might be a little crevice between the rock. It widened.
Very good. Good example. I like when you draw. When something is demonstrating something to us, what is it doing?
It's trying to show you something by doing it themselves.
Very good, Ivanka.
Thanks.
Perfect. You're welcome. Okay. Any word on this page? Do you find some? Oh, I didn't do anything.
Maybe I accidentally placed the X. It's there.
It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. We got it. It's okay. Do you have anything on this page that you find slightly difficult to grasp or understand?
Nope.
Perfect. Moving on here. Claim evidence, reasoning. When we start with the claim, I can claim that I was blonde when I was born.
Wait, really?
But I can also claim that, yeah, I was. But I can also claim that I was born on Mars, the planet.
Wait, is that?
Every claim needs, every claim needs what?
Evidence.
To prove that it's actually real or true. And after that comes reasoning. So the researchers claim to have detected changes. Let's find the exact evidence in this paragraph that supports this claim. What did they actually find and when? Let's see.
I think they found out the small
Okay.
changes in the fault. According
Yes.
to the text, shortly before the earthquake has hit.
Good, very good. So demonstrating that perhaps pre-slip theory is correct. Very good, Ivanka. Let's write it out as this. Their evidence was what?
Their evidence was that, their evidence was, they knew exactly when it happened. And,
Okay.
sometimes, when people say they don't know, they just say what happened. They don't say when they might be lying sometimes, but okay.
True.
I
Okay.
think maybe some people saw what they saw.
Okay.
That's just what I think, though.
Okay. Good. We can quote or paraphrase things sometimes, so we don't need to change anything here. You can say, their evidence was this and that, or their evidence was that they saw first changes 10 hours before an earthquake. They identified identical signs 2 hours before that earthquake. This shows that. This shows what? What does this evidence show?
This shows that it may be, in fact, possible to predict an earthquake.
Very good. Great. Perfect. Okay. Moving on here. How do underground movements cause destruction on the surface? So now we will be talking about how actually the earthquakes occur, how they happen. Okay, look at the picture first. What do you see?
I see a lot of arrows. One.
Okay.
Two. Wait.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh. 7, 8. Yeah, there's only 8.
Okay.
Yeah, there's only 8.
Okay, so we have some arrows here pointing in different directions. And are these arrows straight?
Some of them are, some of them are not. For example, these are not.
Okay, how do they look like?
They're wavy. This one too.
They're wavy, exactly. And if they're wavy, what can that mean?
This can mean that because exploding, it's not like nukes.
I think it just fell. And when something falls and crashes, you usually get this.
Ah, okay.
All right. We will learn about P waves and surface waves. We'll start with P waves first. Let's read this.
P waves arrive fastest and compress and punch.
Compress.
Compress and punch the rock. These verbs show the violent direct force. Wait, which one's
Yes,
the P wave?
exactly.
The yellow
Pardon?
one is the P wave, right? It's the fastest.
Okay. Good assessment. Nice. Surface waves. Let's see what they are.
Okay, surface waves. Surface waves crack windows and topple buildings. Crack means to break. Yeah, I know. I think these are surface waves.
You know. They're closer to the surface, so that it only makes sense that they are surface waves.
Okay, waves
Okay,
of destruction.
so looking at the picture and looking at the words that we just learned, I think that these earthquakes are sometimes severely
Deadly?
fatal. Many people can die, unfortunately.
Oh.
Yes, deadly. Let's read this. It's titled Waves of Destruction.
Waves of destruction. An earthquake's waves come in two forms. P waves, yellow. Oh, so that is okay. Arrive fastest and
Good.
compress and punch the rock. S waves, red, are slower but more destructive. They move from side to side to shake and destroy buildings. Surface waves that crack windows and even destroy bridges. Oh, P waves.
You missed one line.
At the ground level, P waves and S waves combine to produce surface waves that crack windows and even destroy bridges. Okay.
Yes, very, very deadly, as you said, and not just deadly, but the environment tends to need a lot of time to recover from that sort of destruction. Look at the roads here. Look at everything. Everything is destroyed.
Yeah.
Okay. Oxford Red Words. Let's focus on them. Do you understand the meaning of all the words here?
Yes.
Great. That makes me very happy. The text uses strong verbs like compress and punch. How do these words help you visualize the power of the earthquake waves compared to simple words like hit or move? Imagine if we just had these words, hit or move, and not compress and punch. Would that paint a different picture in your head?
Yeah.
If you didn't have this picture to look at?
Yeah. Let me think. When you move, you mean wait. Oh, hit.
P waves arrived fastest and hit.
And move the rock. Wait. Yeah, moving and punching the rock is different. Punching means you. Sorry.
That's a nice fist.
Oh, thanks. I learned how to draw a hand art class. You punch. When you punch someone, you make them fall backwards.
Exactly right.
You hurt their cheeks.
Yes.
When you move them.
Exactly.
Okay, if you punch a dog, it will get hurt and offended. If you move move a dog, it will get offended too. However, it did not get hurt. It just moved.
Very good. So there's a difference. You can hear the difference in these words. They don't sound as threatening.
Yeah.
Great. We finished here. We completed page 13. Let's continue from page 14 in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
See you.